What's good? What's good? What's good, family? If this is your very first time, thank you for tuning in. If this is not your very first time, what's up, gang? Welcome back to another video on the channel, you guys. This wig is coming from Amazon. It is 613 lace front wig, HD transparency, 180% density, body wave, 22 inch. And yes, ma'am, it came from Palamo, whatever you want to call it. And it is HD transparency, baby, for the lace, if you feel what I'm saying. It comes with 4 combs, 2 adjustable straps, and it's giving body and scalp like it's supposed to give. So let's hop right on to this color, you guys, and see what it's giving. So if you already know, we start off with the shimmer lights, because for me, I feel like it comes with a yellow tone. Let's knock that yellow tone out, you guys. Get you a whisk and beat that baby to death like you made some mac and cheese. And don't talk about my brush. I know she need a little help. You feel what I'm saying? But it's all good. She gonna get the job done like she's supposed to. You hear me? So you guys, as you already know, we're going to dip this wig fully into the water. Get all the yellow out of the water. Out of the wig. We want no yellow tones into this wig. We want it to come and look natural. So we won't have too many dimensions going on. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, as we work that color in, the doggone shampoo. As we work the shampoo in, we're going to go in with our color. Once we get that worked in, and we're going to make sure that we beat the color and make sure we have no lumps, no humps, no bumps into it. Use hot water, hot or warm water to your preference. And yeah, just work that color into your wig. You're going to see me, I want this color at the top of my wig, so I'm going to work it at the top mainly. But I will take the ends into a little dip and for a little swim. You feel what I'm saying? Because, you know, it's a light color, and once we put that bottom color on, you won't even tell that we even dipped it. So yeah, continue watching, you guys, and we're going to jump right back into this. And once we get to the next part. If you have not done so yet, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Hit that like button, because it helps me to make more videos like this in the future. And also fashion videos, because I do fashion, lifestyle, and makeup over here. You feel me? It's not a miss, baby, so don't diss. Get into the game. Join the family. So as you see, we are working this color mainly at the top, only at the top, because that's where I want my color to start for my silver. And we put our other color for the bottom. So just stay tuned until we work this top color in, and then we're going to work it into the bottom. As y'all see, make sure you spread. Make sure you spread in between every inch of that wig, because you don't want no color on that wig to miss that wig. So make sure you spread that wig open, baby. Bust it open, if you know what I mean. Bust it wide open if you tell her bring it back. So here we go, y'all. We are on to our second color. We are working this color into the water, and we're going to make sure, I promise, make sure we have no lumps, humps, or bumps into this water. Because, baby, once you put that wig into it, it's hard to get that hump out of it, or, you know, just have a patch of a color in one certain spot when you literally want it all over. So make sure you work that color before you put that wig into there. So me personally, I like to dip my ends, and I like to go up a little more, so it won't look like I have literally separated color from color. I want it to blend in together and look like it's seamlessly coming from silver into the pink. So yeah, your girl is working it in from the bottom all the way to the top, and we're just going to work it in until we get it worked in. All right, y'all, let's hop right on to this install. Baby girl was kicking her tail off and had me hungry. I don't know why, but Ruffles is our favorite chips. You feel what I'm saying? We already got the cap on, so we did not do that step on camera, but we're going to wipe our perimeter off with alcohol just so it can make sure it sticks right. And once we get ready to lay our first layer of glue, right after my ball cap, I always like to go in with like a layer of glue around my perimeter just to make sure this ball cap and the stocking cap stays. So yeah, we're going to do that, and then in the meantime, continue watching, y'all. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. What I'm doing here is very self-explanatory. I'm just taking my popsicle stick and I'm moving it downward just to make sure that the my edge line, which you can make it seem like it's your, you know, the front of your hairline, make sure that it's laying down flat, if you feel what I'm saying. Because if you have it still up or anything, when you lay that wig down, baby, you might have some problems. Like, coming from experience, you might have a little bit of problems. Have your blow dryer on low settings. Cool air is always the best. Sometimes you don't even have to use the blow dry. You could just literally just let it air dry on its own, but I normally like the blow dryer to give it a little faster. So yeah, I use the blow dryer on cool settings, and I just go around my perimeter till it's dry. As you see now, we are measuring our wig on our forehead, not the forehead, baby, because you know I got a 5 head over here. We ain't trying to let y'all notice that, but we're measuring our wig on our head so we can know where to cut our ear flaps. As you can see, I'm going in with the scissors and I'm going around my ear to make sure that I cut so we won't have no irritation, or you know what I'm saying. You guys got to cut that ear flap and make sure you cut it right, because having that on top of your ear, baby, when I say it's a line of irritation, it's on another type of a level, another level. You feel what I'm saying? But in the meantime, we're going to speed this up because you already see when I did it on one side, and we're going to do the same on the other. Tell me how have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. So now that we got our edges and everything laid back, slick back, whoever you want to call it or whatever you want to do with it, you feel what I'm saying? We're going to go in with our very first layer, and we're going to make sure that we get it around the perimeter. Now, baby, I do 5 layers. Yes, I do. I do 5 layers to 6 layers because your girl is in the gym. You know what I'm saying? Trying to work out and all this other type of stuff. Baby girl has me tired, and I don't want to get up and do anything at this moment. I know anybody that's out there that's pregnant, I know y'all know what I'm going through. I'm in my 3rd trimester, baby, and when I tell you I'm feeling it, your girl is feeling it. Baby girl's not playing with these back, these thighs, the pelvic. She's not playing with none of it, baby. If anybody out there know what I'm going through, baby, raise your hand and hit that like button and subscribe. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. So you guys, we're going in with our first layer. It always do it thick. Like I said, I'm pregnant and I don't want to do another wig or have to reapply it. So your girl is going in with thick layers this time to make sure that it's sealed, so I won't have to come back and do no prep. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, we did the other 3 or 4 off camera because I do a TikTok at the same time that I do these videos. So yeah, we're going to go around and go ahead and lay the wig down once we got everything clear and looking good into our to our preference, you know, of how we want it. So yeah, we're gonna go around the perimeter, make sure everything is stuck and everything is stick. As you see, I'm using my comb to go through with the wig to make sure I'm pressing down on it to make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be, taking my ears from behind the flap, and then yeah, we're gonna go on with the cut. And baby, when I tell you this cut, it gives me pray for me when we get to the cut, y'all. Make sure you follow your hairline when you cut. That's all I can tell you. Follow your hairline when you cut. And I go in with the eyebrow razors because that gives me that jagged without me having to do jagged anyway with the scissors. So yeah, y'all, that's a kind of like a pro into the situation. But yeah, watch after we cut this and have a heart attack at the same time, y'all. I gotta give a game proper, so she get it, there she is, I got. And yes, I said follow your hairline. And no, I did not follow mine. That's why I'm telling you. Follow your hairline, sis. Follow it. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorties in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you can understand. Y'all will make the dance like this. Make the bounce like this. You gotta know she's made for you. And you wanna do everything she want to, man.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas around me, right at it die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in So once we got everything looking good and looking nice, we're going to go in with our Eben Fantasia Spritz. I don't even think it's Eben because Eben is his own company, baby. Let me stop lying. This is Fantasia Spritz. You feel what I'm saying? We're going to go in with our Fantasia, and we're usually, right now, I don't know why I'm not putting it on my finger, but put it on your finger so you won't have the running problem. And literally, I do 2
of these and I lay it down for 15 minutes. After each set, I lay it down for 15 minutes with a band on my forehead and watch the magic, baby. If you ain't seen the other videos, go on and watch the other videos. They right there at the top. You feel what I'm saying? Watch what this Fantasia Spritz do, and that's all I'm gonna say. Make sure that blow dries on cool settings and continue to listen to the music and jam with us. Yeah, vibe with us.
We need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside.
Now that we are wrapping it up and have to tie down after the second one, we're gonna go. We're going to blah, 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 blah. We're going to start off with our baby hairs, y'all. And no, you did not see me cut the baby hairs. Like I said, we do TikToks in the middle of this. So in the meantime, I was showing the TikTok of the baby hairs over there. So I just came back to complete it over here. So yeah, we done swooped it and whooped it and duped it over here. You know what I'm saying? And it's looking okay. Baby hairs are not my best friend, y'all. I don't know why I can't swoop them like them professionals. Or you see that girl over having a struggling time on that. You see it. Yeah, you see it. Keep watching, y'all.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Baby, you can give it some.
Now, since we done laid down these ugly best friends, we're going in with the blow dryer, and we're going to make sure that we get them to stick before we go in with our band and it gets stuck and all the other type of stuff. I hate when I put that band down and they get stuck to it, so I try to blow dry first, then go in with the band and lay it down. But y'all, since we got them enemies laid down and wrapped up, we went in with our styling and the hot comb, and basically we just did a side part and give it that little oomph at the top. You feel what I'm saying? Baby, when I tell you the reveal of the band coming off has you in a chokehold, it had me in a chokehold, and I know it had you in one too. You feel what I'm saying? Baby, I laid that lace down, and when I say it said HD, it said HD. Cause it looked like it's coming out of my scalp. You couldn't tell me this didn't come from me. Like my mama didn't raise me with good health. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. Don't play with her. And look at it. I love how the color flowed, y'all. I just love everything about the wig, how it came out. It took very, very beautiful. When I tell you I got so many compliments, I'm not lying to y'all. Baby, the wig did not shed as much as I thought it did. It did not give me a tangle. Baby, when I tell you I put it in a bun, I wrapped it, I took it out at night, it did, and it flowed like it was supposed to. Like, that hair was truly soft. And for it to be $89 from Amazon, you can't beat that for a 22-inch, baby. You can't beat it. The link is in the description. Baby, hit that like button, hit that follow button. Go on and follow. We'll look at all the other videos on the channel, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, kick it with your girl and join the family, because we coming in with more videos as the year goes. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. And this is not your very first time. Come back for another video. Y'all already know how we do it. And this is your very first time. Baby, I know you loved it over here. Come back. Hit that subscribe button. Cut that notification bell on so you can know every time I drop. Hit that like and that comment so I can make videos every time that you guys come. Deuces. See you in the next video.